What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm going to learn how to optimize our WordPress website speed, especially for core web vitals, the Google metric that tells for Google if the site is good, is on well performance or not, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard to access dashboard on the browser address bar. Enter with the domain name plus WP admin, enter with login credentials, reveal the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and hit the submenu add plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, there is a field called search plugins, click and type NitroPack, just like this. Click on install now, click on activate button, then you're gonna be asked to connect your site with NitroPack network. It's simple, it's free, so all you have to do is click into this purple button and you can enter with your email or enter with Google, all up to you, okay? So you need to enter your company website URL, the business model, the country, your phone number is optional. Let me enter with my website URL. Just like this. Let's continue. You can enter the site name, all up to you, the site platform, and you can choose, in the case you want month or yearly, and I want to start for free. There is other options, but for a small business, the free option already helps. Let's click on add. Let's wait for closing the window. We are setting up the HTML, so the system is automatically optimizing our home page. Let's continue. And right here we have some optimization models, okay? Our one active, it's the strong one. And let's preview the home page or go live, okay? All up to you. I recommend you preview to check if everything is right with the site. In this case is right, this is just a demonstrative website, it's all good. But it's likely or possible that something breaks on your site. So review the page, check if everything is okay. After, click on go live. There is some opportunity right here, all up to you. You can start optimizing and there is a couple of options that you can play with. You can enable proactive optimization, enable caching or NUP. You can, into some basics testing, enable or disable the caching, the HTML compression, allow editors to purge cache, cart cache, this is up to you, real-time stock refresh, page optimization, purge cache, and shortcuts exclusions. If you click right here on page optimization, you're going to be able to see all of the configurations, okay, that you can enable or disable. And you can further configure the NitroPack optimization into the app on your account, okay? Right here you can check the cache size and other information. It's nice, it's well-being, it's something like a SaaS, okay, software as a service, and you can use for free in the case that you have a small business website. Works good, helps to optimize your page, really helps, and the setup, it's easy, there's no much for you to do, okay? The system already does this automatically, okay? And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.